Assalamualaikum viewers. Today I am here with this important question on the demand of my viewer. Find vertex, focus and directrix of a parabola. Of this equation of this parabola, x plus 8 minus y square plus 2y is equal to 0. Students, in my previous lecture I discussed completely the parabola and different types, different cases of a parabola. Parabola is the graph of second degree equation, and in this question you see y square. It means the y square, you need to y square is equal to 4ab, the case first case of parabola. Okay, so first and all you need to form y square equal to 4ax. It means you need this one y minus h whole square and equal to 4ax minus k. According to this rule, you need to whole square and the whole square of y square. And see, in this question, y square is given and 2y is also given. So, according to these two variables, I can form this form. Okay? So, first and all, arrange and separate this equation. Minus y square, it becomes a plus when it moves from left to right, and similarly this one. See, x plus 8 remain here and y square it becomes a plus, 2y it becomes minus 1. Okay? And next, according to rule, for completing square, y square minus 2y plus, and then second term is b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. According to the whole square formula, you need to form plus 1 whole square plus 1 whole square on both sides. Okay, and then this form it becomes, according to completing square formula, y minus 1 whole square. And this one, x plus 8 plus 1 square 1, it means 9, x plus 9. Okay? Or you can also write in this format. Only move from left to right. I hope so you understand these three steps. Firstly, separate the y square, and after completing square, and due to completing square, this 1 square plus 1 square on both sides, add on both sides. Okay, and then y minus 1 whole square, and here x plus 9 is formed. Arrange this one. Next, so nextly, this one. According to this rule, by comparing y minus h equal to 4a into x minus k. This one. According to this one, the vertex is, so by comparing this form, and h is equal to what? See this one, h is equal to 1 by comparing h is equal to 1 and k x plus 9 and x minus It means K is -9. Okay, and what is A? See students, see this one, x minus k, x plus 9, and here is only a 1. It means the 4a is equal to 1, and 4a is equal to 1, and according to this one, a is equal to 1/4. Okay, and according to these information, my vertex is not. Remember, the vertex so according to this one, this equation here, k and this along y is h. It means at k comma h, this one, this is a vertex. So according to this, k comma h is the vertex. So the value for k is -9 and h is equal to 1. Okay, this one is a vertex. So student, after finding the vertex, focus. Firstly, check this one, y square. It means the parabola is open on right side of the x-axis. Okay, this one, the shape of a parabola is look like this, open on right side. It means the focus and vertex lie along the x-axis. Okay, horizontal axis, lie on a horizontal axis. Vertex and focus lie on horizontal axis. Horizontal axis. It means vertex, according to the vertex and focus variation according to A, add or subtract in only x-axis, not in y-axis. Okay, so apply this A on a x-axis, and then focus will be according to horizontal axis. It means x k plus this one A. Only vary in horizontal axis means x-axis. This A effect only in x-axis, not in y-axis. It means h remains same. And according to this rule, k is equal to -9 plus A is equal to 1/4. This one, and h is equal to 1. Taking LCM and then after simplification, the result is -35/4 into in comma 1. Okay, this one. This is the focus. This is the vertex, and this is focus point. The focus point, this one, and this is the vertex. Vertex and focus and directrix. Yes. What is the directrix of this one? And the directrix is and due to vertex and focus on y-axis. This is the vertical line. The directrix of this is vertical line. Okay, vertical line. And the equation is, and according to vertical line, equation is depend on x and the directrix. The equation of directrix is k minus a, because vertex, from vertex, the distance of focus and distance of a directrix, both are same but in opposite direction. From focus, from vertex, focus is k plus a, then the directrix k minus a, and then put the value k is minus 9, a minus 1/4, and result minus 37/4. So students, this is the equation of directrix. I hope so you understand all these points: directrix, vertex, and focus. And the direction of parabola is this one, and label this one. This is a vertex. Minus 9 and 1. This is a focus, and the focus is minus 35/4 and 1, and the directrix is this one. Look like this. This vertical line is called directrix, and equation is x is equal to this minus 37/4. And according to this whole information, 1, y value is 1. It means axis line, this one, this axis line, this one, this line is called axis, and axis is y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. So, students, this is the whole question and all information about the parabola, and find the focus, directrix, and vertex. I hope so you understand this question, but if you have any problem, then you can mention in comments. Thank you for watching. Take care.